What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like button. My name is Keandra, and as y'all see, the screen is speaking for itself, babe. The wig is speaking for itself. We about to get into another wig install. This is Tinashe Hair. I just want to give a big thanks to them for sponsoring today's video. Your girl is going to be slaying a water wave unit. When I say this hair is bomb, like, I really enjoyed this hair, y'all. I have very few to no issues with this hair. Y'all will get all the details in just a second. I just wanted to give a little introduction, a little sneak peek into today's video. So if y'all are interested in seeing how I got this look, be sure to keep watching. What's up, y'all? So as y'all seen from the intro and heard from the intro, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I installed this hair by Tinashe Hair. I'm just showing y'all a few things that they included in the package, and I'm starting off with my ball cap. I was feeling real lazy, y'all. I took out some old braids that I had in. I washed my hair and I just did a ponytail to the back. Real simple. Was not feeling like braiding my hair down. So yeah, I'm just using my boho, and that is what I'm going to be using to lay the cap down. I'm going to be doing only one layer of this glue, as y'all see, and I'm just spreading it out with a popsicle stick, as y'all see. I didn't even use a blow dryer during this whole install. I just was sitting in front of my fan, so I literally was just using my fan to like dry the glue, and I was doing that throughout the whole entire process. But now y'all just see me using my little manicure nail scissors. I freaking love these. They're so sharp. I use these in like all my videos now because look at this cut. It's just so precise, and anything that I miss, I just go in and get that off. Now this is the wig. I did all my customizing off camera, and I'm just smoothing this foundation from Ruby Kisses that I always use on my cap. I also put that on the inside of my wig, and I'm also going to go in with my contour palette by Black Radiance because I needed a little bit of a darker color on the actual lace, but y'all see that in a minute. So there is the makeup inside of the wig. Like I said, I did my customizing off camera, y'all. The knots bleached perfectly on this wig. It did not take long at all. They bleached really well, and this is some bomb lace. So there is the contour palette. I did it off camera, and now I'm just cutting the ear tabs out. This is a like regular medium cap size wig, if anybody cares. And this wig is a 13x4 lace front wig, y'all. I thought this was HD lace, but it's actually Swiss lace. This lace is really good on this unit. Now I'm actually just using an alcohol white, and I'm gonna go in with my Skin Protect. I've been forgetting to use this, y'all. Like, literally been skipping over this for the last 2 installs, but there it is. I let that dry. I'm going in with my first layer of glue. I did end up doing 3 layers of this glue, and I'm just smoothing it out with a popsicle stick, making sure that in between each layer I'm smoothing it out flat and thin so that they all dry clear, and we can get a bomb install. Some more of the details on the hair though while we let this dry. Literally, y'all, I'm loose. I told y'all I was using my fan. This hair is 180% density, and it is 26 inches, y'all. This was the perfect length. Your girl is like 5'7", and this felt like almost touching my butt. Almost. It was super duper cute. Y'all kind of seen the length in the beginning of the video, and even with it being wet and it being water wave, this hair was so bomb. I don't know if it's deep wave or water wave. It's one of the two. The links and everything, y'all, will be in the description box down below. I will have Tinashe's, all of their information on this hair down in the description box down below, so y'all can check that out. But yeah, y'all, now I'm ready to lay the lace after the 3rd layer, and I'm just using my comb to comb back the hair and to make sure the lace is really in that glue. So that's what y'all see me doing now. I did separate the baby hairs when I was customizing the wig, just because sometimes it's just better when you are setting the wig this way and putting the elastic band on, because like the baby hairs are already going in the direction you want them to go versus you combing them out, whatever. But I just sprayed a little bit of Got to Be glue over the lace, and now I'm going to be putting that band on, and I let that band sit for a little while, and I'm just pulling apart the hair so y'all can see how it came. I love this density. It's perfect, y'all. Like, especially when it gets wet. As y'all can see, when it's dry with no product on it, it gets super duper big. The density is really pretty. but I also like it when it's wet because it's really perfect when it's wet. And I was debating whether I wanted to do a side part or a middle part. Y'all, I usually don't have that problem. Like, I've never been one of those girls to really have that side part, middle part problem. Like, I just be knowing when I get the wig in my hand what I'm gonna do with it. But this time it was a little different. So I went on Snap and stuff like that, and I made a little snap, and I came back, made my mind up, and I wanted to do a side part with this unit. Period. Yup. It's giving what needs to be gave. So I'm just going in with my Care wax stick. I'm kind of perfecting that part with my comb and putting a little bit more of my wax stick, and now I'm going to go in with my hot comb in 1 second after I'm finished putting that wax stick on, and I'm just getting the top of my wig flat as possible. Even though I'm going to be wetting this hair, I need the top of this hair laid. I need it flat. I need it melted. I need everything just flowing and going. Okay, I just need everything on point. So that is what I'm doing. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see the customization? Get into it. So now I'm just getting ready to cut the lace off. I am kind of moving the hair out the way. Y'all gonna see me make a sad face because some of my baby hairs were not in the glue, honey. So make sure y'all do that because I just cut some of them off. It worked out in the end though. Like I didn't, those weren't really necessary in the place that I cut them. But just make sure that when you are laying your wig down, you're lining up the hair with the glue, if that makes sense, because then you will run into this problem where that part of the lace didn't get into the glue and now you're cutting it off. Or you could just add more glue. I didn't. I end up cutting it off, whatever. So now I'm just taking my hot comb. Y'all gonna see me use the hot comb a lot. If y'all been on my channel for a while and y'all have been watching my hair tutorials, y'all know the hot comb is my best friend, okay, when I'm getting ready to slay and freaking lay my freaking hair and my wigs, all that good stuff. So now I'm going in to cut my baby hairs, and for some odd reason I think my camera cut off, but y'all ain't missed too much. All I did was curl my baby hairs upward with a mini little flat iron, and I'm using Got To Be Glue spray actually because I seen my hairstylist do it. Don't tell him, but I seen him do this when he was doing my hair, and sometimes I be wanting that soft, I mean, not that Got To Be Glue is really like a soft product. I could have used my Sebastian Shaper Plus or like something else, I guess, like mousse or something like that, but I mean, it still gave that soft look because I didn't use a lot. I feel like when you OD with Got To Be Glue, that is when you get that harsh, crunchy look, versus just spraying a little bit on your edge brush like I was doing and just brushing it into the baby hairs. Once you curl them and make them flat with that flat iron, you're already training the hair to go where you want it to go anyway. You're just using a little bit of product just to lay them down a little bit. So yeah, I really like that soft baby hair look, and that is all I'm doing, y'all. I'm just gonna keep doing that until to both sides are finished, just curling the hair using the Got To Be Glue spray. I actually did go in with just a little bit of the Got To Be Glue gel. Y'all didn't see it on camera, but I did go in with a little bit of gel because I felt like at some point the spray wasn't doing it. Maybe I needed to tie my hair down, which I think I end up doing later. But yeah, I'm gonna just shut up because I've been talking for a little minute. I'm gonna just let y'all watch me do this. After the baby hairs are finished, I just tied my elastic band back on the lace just to lay everything down. Did a whole nother video, got ready, did my makeup, and now I am back to wet this hair and kind of, you know, style it per se. So now I'm just taking some water. This is just plain water, that is it. And I'm just spraying the hair. I'm not really drenching it to the point where it's like dripping wet, but I am saturating the hair with the water. This is going to define the curls. This is deep wave hair. This is going to define the curls and just get them how you want them to look. Excuse my phone going off in the voiceover, y'all. So yeah, I'm just spraying the hair, and then I'm going to be going in with another product, of course, to the curls looking good all day. plain water ain't gonna do it. I've always been with the water and foaming lotion, water and mousse, water and some type of curling product. Always been down with that, just because this is gonna really help your curls last throughout the day. And there are always different products you can do and different things you can do with your curly hair to get that wet look. But this is all I did to the hair. Plain water and a little Nairobi foaming lotion on the hair. And y'all, this is how I love the foaming lotion, because it just gives it that shiny, juicy look. Like, look at how juicy these curls look, y'all. I was in freaking love. Make sure y'all freaking check out Tinashe Hair. Look at that. I mean, she dang near is touching my butt, like just about. 26 inches of deep wave hair, y'all. 13x4 lace frontal unit, Swiss lace. Make sure y'all head over to Tinashe Hair, head over to my description box and check out everything. This hair was bomb, y'all. The only con I did have with this hair, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Y'all know that sugarcoat nothing on this channel. I did have some minimum shedding with this hair. I did not mention that in the beginning of this video. I just mentioned that I had little to no problems with this hair. That is the only thing with this hair. This is curly hair. It's long. It was kind of to be expected. I mean, all hair sheds. I don't care what nobody says. It's a wig. Like, it's a wig. Our natural hair sheds. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Alright, y'all, I done filmed another video. I done put a beat on. I done changed my shirt. I done did a lot. But y'all, this hair, can we talk about it? Girl, who was you barking at? Y'all, this hair, y'all, is so I did get some minimum shedding with this hair, but I mean, it's water wave hair. It's really long and I love it. Like the lace, the knots bleached really well. Everything about it, like the curl pattern. It's giving, I need another vacation. That's what it's giving. Like, what about y'all? It's definitely giving vacation hair for sure. Like, y'all, it's so long and pretty. But yeah, y'all, that is the end of this video. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you check out Tinashe Hair. Thank y'all so much for sending me this wig and sponsoring this video, and I will see y'all in the next video. Make sure you hit the bell for post notifications too, so you can be notified when I upload. And I will see y'all in the next one.